Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're tackling a topic that's super important to all of us, home security. Now, I don't know about you, but when I think about setting up security cameras, I often picture complicated wiring, drilling, and a whole lot of frustration. Am I right? Well, I recently got my hands on a product that completely flipped my expectations. It's the Noorio B200 SE Mac Cam, and trust me, the name says it all. This thing is designed for simplicity and smart security. Stick around because I'm going to show you how easy it is to protect your home with this awesome piece of tech. So cool. First up, and this is probably my favorite part, wireless magnetic mounting. Seriously, no wires, no drilling, no calling an electrician. You just find the spot, put up the tiny mount, and the camera literally snaps right onto it. Indoors, outdoors, wherever you need it. Installation takes literally minutes. It's security you can set up yourself easily. Next, let's talk about the two-way intercom. This is fantastic. If a delivery driver shows up or your kids get home, you can talk to them directly through the camera using the Noorio app. No matter where you are, it's like having an always-on intercom right at your doorstep. How's everything?
Good. How are you?
Okay. So, how was school?
Good.
Okay, good. That's good. All right, come inside. Now, this camera isn't just for chatting, it's super smart. With AI automatic motion detection, the B200 SE can tell the difference between a person and, say, a pet or a tree blowing in the wind. When it detects actual human movement, it immediately starts recording and sends a notification straight to your phone. So you're always in the loop. What about picture quality? Day or night, this thing records in HD. So every detail is super crisp. But here's the kicker. When it gets dark, you don't just get grainy black and white. This camera has color night vision. It's wild how much detail you can see, even in pitch black. Worried about the weather? Don't be. This camera is IP66 Waterproof. That means it can handle rain, dust, and all sorts of outdoor elements without a problem. It's built tough for reliable performance. For an extra layer of protection, the Mac Cam has a built-in spotlight and Siren. If you see something suspicious on your app, or if it detects something at night, you can manually trigger a bright spotlight and a loud siren right from your phone. It's awesome for scaring off unwanted visitors before they even get close. And if you got a smart home, good news. The Noorio B200 SE is totally adaptable to Gemini, Alexa. So you can just use your voice to see your live camera feed on your Echo Show or other Alexa-enabled devices. Super convenient. Now here's a huge bonus that I absolutely love. This camera comes with 8 gigs of internal eMMC storage completely free. That means no annoying subscriptions, no need to buy an expensive SD card. Your recordings are stored securely right on the camera and you don't have to have any extra monthly fees. That's the big win. If you're worried about not enough storage space, Noorio also has an upgraded model, the B210 SE, which has 16 gig storage and a higher image quality. Here's a pro tip. The Noorio security camera only works with the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, but it connects when 2.4 GHz is enabled in your dual band network. Alright, so you've seen it in action, and honestly, I'm really impressed with the Noorio B200 SE. It's powerful, it's smart, and most importantly, it's incredibly easy to set up and use. For anyone who's been putting off home security because it seems like too much of a hassle, this camera is a game changer. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to keep an eye on your home, whether you're inside or miles away, I highly recommend checking this out. I put a direct link in the description below, so you can click there right now to learn more and grab one for yourself. Trust me, the peace of mind it gives you is totally worth it. Okay, so here's the unboxing of the Noorio B200SC. So here's the camera itself. You can see the camera. It has your spotlight, your speaker, your camera lens. On top right here is where you charge it with the USB-C charging port. And then here's your sync button. On the back here, you can screw in a tripod. Right here is your magnetic base. So this comes with two bases. So here's the magnetic base right here. And if you just want to mount this just on the table, you can do it like so. Or this is magnetized to a metal surface. Here is if you don't have a metal surface and you want to screw this into a wall, and then you just screw this like so. And that attaches that way also. Here are your mounting screws. You got two sets. You have the manual. Here's your USB-C charger. So that's the Noorio B200SE Mag Cam. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Have you tried a magnetic security camera before? What are your biggest concerns when it comes to home security? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here and want to see more tech reviews, smart home gadgets, and helpful tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you so much for watching today. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.